Be ready for the dictation. Start. Everyone has the right to freedom of information and expression. Stop. This right includes freedom to hold opinions without interference and to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas through any media and regardless of frontiers. Stop. It may be a coincidence that Article 19 of the Indian Constitution also provides every citizen the right to freedom of speech and expression. Stop. However, the word information is conspicuously absent. Stop. But as the highest court has explicated, the right of information is integral to freedom of expression. Stop. India was a member of the Commission on Human Rights appointed by the Economic and Social Council of the United Nations, which drafted the 1948 Declaration. Stop. As such, it would have been eminently fit and proper if the right to information was included in the rights enumerated under Article 19 of our Constitution. Stop. Article 55 of the UN Charter stipulates that the United Nations shall promote respect for and observance of human rights and fundamental freedoms, and according to Article 56, all members pledge themselves to take joint and separate action in cooperation with the organization for the achievement of the purposes set forth in Article 55. Stop. Despite the absence of any express mention of the word information in our Constitution under Article 19 (1) (a), this right has stood incorporated therein by the interpretative process by this court, laying the unequivocal statement of law by this court that there was a definite right to information of the citizens of this country. Stop. Before the Supreme Court spelt out with clarity the right to information as a right inbuilt in the constitutional framework, there existed no provision giving this right in absolute terms or otherwise. Stop. Of course, one finds glimpses of the right to information of the citizens and obligations of the state to disclose such information in various other laws. For example, sections 74 to 78 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 give right to a person to know about the contents of the public documents, and the public officer is required to provide copies of such public documents to any person who has the right to inspect them. Stop. Under Section 25(6) of the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, every state is required to maintain a register of information on water pollution, and it is further provided that so much of the register as relates to any outlet or effluent from any land or premises shall be open to inspection at all reasonable hours by any person interested in or affected by such outlet, land, or premises as the case may be. Stop. Dr. J.N. Barowalia, in Commentary on the Right to Information Act (2006), has noted that the report of the National Commission for Reviewing of Working of Constitution under the chairmanship of Justice M.N. So-and-so, as he then was, recognized the right to information, wherein it is provided that major assumption behind a new style of governance is the citizens' access to information. Stop. Much of the common man's distress and helplessness could be traced to his lack of access to information and lack of knowledge of decision making processes stop. He remains ignorant and unaware of the process which virtually affects his interest. Full